Janet. Am I Janet or do Janet want to be me?
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double Styles, and welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are doing the Outre wig, and her name is ROSHAN. ROSHAN, and here she is. That is so beautiful. This is a 100% human hair blend 360 frontal lace wig, and it is 13 by 6 hand-tied lace frontal, and I have ROSHAN in a color DR2/chocolate swirl, meaning it's a black, like a natural brownish black at the top, and then we going down to our chocolate swirl. Okay, if you're looking for a wig that feels custom made, then this wig was made to be yours. Outre 360 frontal lace wig hairline isn't straight. Instead, it follows the natural curly shape of your own. And this lace will fully conceal all your hair with its complete temple and sideburn to sideburn coverage. Try the wig that was created to fit you flawlessly. Okay, it's the card. I love it. I love it already. I'm so excited. I'm nervous a little bit, but excited because this type of wave is somewhat new for me. Like, I had a wig, an Outre wig similar to this, but it was shorter and more fuller. So I never tried this type of wave longer, and I hope it looked just as cute as the other wig that I'm talking about. And if you want to see that video, I'll have the link provided below as well, so y'all can check that one out too if you want a shorter version. And this is our color, chocolate swirl. Y'all can see the edges right there popping. One comb in the back, two on the side. Let me get this over here. Two on the side. And this is our front. This is where I could part. I have all the access of parting wherever in this area, okay? These are the edges. Okay, now let's get into it. Also, since this is a 360 wig, this lace is around the whole part of the wig, but I'm not gonna glue the whole part. I'm gonna cut it and probably just glue the front and just put my comb in my back so it can stay. I'm not gonna glue my back. I'm just gonna cut this and focus on the front. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, I let it dry. Now it's time to take it off, okay? And do the edges. Let's try to do the edges, okay? Because what y'all not finna do is pick on me if I don't get them right, okay? Because at the end of the day, as long as I try and put some potential in it and look good, at the end of the day, that's all that matters. We get into it. Okay, so this is the hair. This is like a loose wave. It's like 18, no, it's like 22 inches. Then it's like 18 up here. It has like layers. This hair is very loose, very lightweight. Okay, so this is how the parting is. You can part it within these 6 inches here. Like that. I'm more of a side part girl, so I think I'm gonna do like a side. Or I might just try to I'm gonna try like the little ponytail thingy she did. Let me see. Would I look right with the little ponytail? Yup, sure would. Sure would. Where's my part? Okay, let me part it. Excuse me. Okay. Now the other side. See, you can do it like that. Yeah, this thing is cute. I really love this. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it when I take my pictures, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, let's turn to the back. Yeah, I don't think I ever had this type of hair. I think when I was like a few years back, my homegirl used to always wear this type of hair, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna look good with this type of hair, but I look good in this type of hair. Okay, any type of hair, that's the confidence you need to have. So if you feel uncomfortable and afraid to take a chance to see how you look in a certain color, a certain hair wave, or anything, just try it. It's affordable enough for you to get it, boo, and you might love it and never go back. Okay, I really love this hair. What else can I say? I'm proud of how I did my edges. I'm not mad. They not perfect, but they got the job done. Okay, how do y'all think I should wear it though? In the middle? Should I wear it like up like in a ponytail, center, or like to the side? What side are we feeling? Please let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you are interested in this wig, I will have the link provided below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys for the next one. Peace.